Okay.
Yes. Kung kahamjot tanan no, tini hanya hai lai dumani kaisa kotor goselai mong sini bubagran ina har mong tong mani already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye narok samani khana sini ti prasa skill gana nurses GNM ANM rokno Japan nik mani kok phrangai kok Japanese language phrangai Japano samung tangrani bagai rohornani kaham manmarini bagai kaham ajimuni bagai rohornani kok samani tini chung sukongleni phaching senior tongo Mr. Ajay Kumar Shahani managing manager sourcing and administration Navis Human Resource and Private Limited borobeni sini MoU sini yang deputy CEO tongo sini PU principal official health ni tai sini tai kroksa PU tabo deputy PU health tai sini oro social activist takuk James tai takuk John barok khanin tongo barok chana belai chubakha samoni bagai tai Bengaluru tongnai sini takuk Dinesh bobo chana belai chubakha barok no hambai eke sini o nahar mumken ro jotun saima no chung Japano hospitality ni bagai sini oro jara GNM ANM pass out angjak rok no BSc nursing oborok no sengtawo ringnai through Navis ni phasingte sini oro phan apply khaimano borok Navis o phan apply khaimano chung u bisiwo maximum hospitality wo 3 jon ahibor chini chare rokno chung Japan ro hanani target na borokno chung ADC hapang ni phasingti kheye khoroksa ni chung ADC 50,000 chung sponsor khaine borokno jara registration na musnai jara swrwngna mochong Japanese language te baire wo Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service rine mochonai rokno borok candidate rang 10,000 khai baro registration ma khaine tei kaise additional 50,000 baro puila samani chono 1,40,000 candidate dina nangnai hai ni chung abono tini kok salai abono kisarika tabo candidate ro 60,000 rinai chung ADC 50,000 rinai okay total borok ni 3.5 মানে 3.5 লাখ টাকা টোটাল বনি কোর্স এভরিথিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন কোর্স ফি দ্রাতে 3.5 লাখ টাকা নাংনাই 3.5 লাখ টাকা নংতা বরিনা নানিয়া ক্যান্ডিডেট সিমিনো 60 লাখ মারিনাই এডিসি 60,000 এডিসি 50,000 টোটাল বাদ বাকি বনি যে রাংরথাই তংমানি যে নেভিস না যে রাংরথাই তংমানি 2,40,000 বরক সাকা no chung Japan o Germany o Korea o sakri rimani pore teruk nini beton ini nangtanai riman nai ke obon ongkha sini tini ni o agreement do jara thangna muchonai kabang man chinoro nurse ni sakri sani phenai tongbayo GNM ANM tai ni o BSc nursing rok jara khaijak rok kabang opportunity tabo Hatara hasteo tangai at least thaising chini ta khuk saka 1.1 ni beton ni chimi 3.5 lakh beton ni khorsa ni per month aba hai abon bagai ke borok already o target now ni o borok ni jara registration khene borok ni nang je bad bagi outstanding payment tongmani abok rinani borok ba ke khaire Actually, nahar mung kata aku tepuku sengadi government job to limited. Kabang macam ni tipra sorok tabu kabang macam no Kolkata, Bengaluru, Chennai, abherogo nursing complete kain nogo kabang macam jago tongo. Swrwngni tongnai bo tongo, phatara samungtang tongnai robo tongo. Kendor ni bagai jeng ane bubagra katal kaisa nangmani history kaisa opportunity norona rika jara muchuknai daki daki phai chungbai karangdi borok daki daki interview nanai best jara muchuknai best karangku rokno jung phatar ro hornani bagai chatyoknai abani loge loge jung phaini salo care worker bonanai driver tai hike construction worker o building namnani amai samung o baherokno bochung samung skill khaye phatar samung tangnani bagai ro hornani bochung chatyoknai obong khachini naharmung sini ADC hafang sini Tripura sarokno rang ri tongmung chamung borokni manthai khati thaino khobui samung tanglai tongmani chung choya hamkari samung tang tongmani chung choya bobagrani naikol mungbai chung hor sal thuya ke no solai samung tanglai tong takte bukuk chung obonong khachini thansani mari chini bobagrani naikol mungbai chini ADC hafang chung tabuk rate lama kahamte himai beti prasa rokno bahike sang biang phasing thangke boro thangke chung rang kaham khaimano kaham tongmung tubai mano lokorok ajimano abana harmungbai chung samung tanglai tong ketabok norok sungimane chini Ajay Kumar Sahani ji bawang ka Navis ani manager sourcing the administration ban thani Navis ni harmung tabuk khaitong besuk bisiromi khaitong bopron kimit langjak nai omutiro bon thani norok sungimana hambai
busu jona ro khatalang jona
chung tabuk 3 jona target chung 3 jona na rohanan cha toknai
every year.
Protect Bishwata.
Today it's a privilege for Navis HR because on behalf of Navis HR I am representative entire Northeastern region, and today we have signed an agreement and MoU with TTAADC regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have students from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from Northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement, and we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of TTAADC areas, and we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us, and this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad, and this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Navis HR, because having a tied up with TTAADC is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to as many as we can. We are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of TTAADC. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MoU will benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead. And definitely we are really humble and thankful to TTAADC. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much.
Okay. Do you
Thank you, respective dignitaries of TTAADC. And my name is Ajay, and I'm General Manager for Northeastern region. Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first, they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having in conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand. They have to understand about the script. They have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agrees that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now. We already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
through Navis ni bisinti interview ruwe test ruwe borok thangna musunai borok ni bagai chung dakti no potrika rom bisinti chini website ni bisinti chung advertisement nai ke borok no ta bota chung chini ode shaka ta singo actually Japan ni kisu culture borok ni ongko tongo busket borok ni bebohar borok ni tongmung chamung tongo actually a jaga rogo borok bokrok tola khai khulumung bokok samung nomro bodro amahiro kabang metar tung Japan no samung tangna nei ke kok sangkhe sane nei bar ara jiriglai kok saya amti hero joton bharung jang aran borno phai tong pane Japan ni borok no so ab hai ke jara sangi man nai borok no borok select khana even tlang ni sigang je tlang ni furban bumau pha soi ka hanga kai bumau pha itablen ni jare thangan bagi fit ni bumau garden bumau pha sudo soi soka e approach borok tlang nai ke poilan chimini jara thangna mo changna ba phatara sudo Japan Germany angthon ni Korea angthon baro aran language no sudo Japan aran language de prone baro thangnai e ke poilan chimini prepare ngai phene ba pe bhai te dakti start khaijane chung advertisement khai ke no through baro ne chung interview ba screening process khai dakti roharan bagi satya nai hambai